Hello beautiful people, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple Halloween inspired eyebrow and eyeliner look. If you want to see how I'm going to create it, please keep watching. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you.
Watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient.
So I'm applying setting powder to the eyebrow. What this does is that it helps the eyebrow last longer, and it also serves as a good base for the brow tint that we're applying now. As you can see, I'm applying a red brow tint. So what this does is it helps the eyebrow last longer, and you can see how colorful the eyebrow is looking already.
Fell this way, I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.